Sunrise Nutritionals is excited to introduce its signature whole food supplement, Garcinia cambogia. Derived from the tamarind fruit which grows in Southeast Asia, Garcinia cambogia has been used by native people for centuries. Garcinia cambogia is demonstrated to burn fat you already have. It blocks the production of new fat by inhibiting the weight-gaining effects of sugar and carbohydrates. And Garcinia cambogia is also shown to suppress appetite, so you can lose weight without feeling hungry. Garcinia cambogia extract by Sunrise Nutritionals is a whole food supplement, which means it comes from real tamarind fruit to provide authentic, natural nutrition. If you're ready to burn fat and lose weight fast without feeling hungry, try Garcinia cambogia by Sunrise Nutritionals. Available today through Amazon.com, the world's #1 online marketplace. Take the first step to better health and easier weight loss with Garcinia cambogia by Sunrise Nutritionals.